could stay like this, forever following you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie Jordan, and if you're joining me for the first time, then please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you something that I have been wanting to share for a very long period of time, but I haven't just had the time to to just do it, let's just say. So that's the onion hair mask, and I first came across this hair mask in 2017, and my hair wasn't growing, like it was just stuck, just stagnant, and I had really thin hair strands. Yeah, I think that's because of breakage. But when I found this hair mask, it just changed the game, and I only used it once. Whoa. Just in 2017, so I just used it for that year, and I saw changes in my hair. My hair began to grow and respond, and even though I wasn't doing everything that I was supposed to do with my natural hair, like for example moisturizing it the right way, my hair still found a way to grow with the hair mask. I'm not saying you should neglect all your other hair duties like moisturizing your hair or washing it and just stick to using onion juice. No, I'm just saying it helps, but doing other things will help your hair grow as well. Onion juice, or rather onions, have what we call sulfur minerals in them, and I didn't know this at the time because I just found it. I just stumbled on it and I was like, oh, let me just try this hair recipe and see if it actually works. But I later on did some research, and apparently onion has sulfur minerals in them, and the sulfur minerals are apparently a hair building block. Okay, so onion juice has a lot of claimed benefits. Like some people claim that it's treated alopecia, dry brittle hair, it's treated dandruff, it's treated what else? Okay, so there's lots of things, but in my case I found that I had really thin hair, and my hair thickened as a result of using onion juice, and I also suffered from severe dandruff, like serious dandruff. And even after I stopped using the onion juice, just because of my laziness, I realized that after I stopped, I had severe dandruff, like my scalp had serious dandruff. And please, there's a difference between dandruff and buildup, and trust me, mine was dandruff because at that time I wasn't using so many products. Like I was just using maybe one product, and so in my case it helped me thicken my hair, it helped me with my dandruff, and it helped me with breakage. And when I stopped using it again, I suffered severe breakage, and that's because onion juice will help you strengthen your hair. And it also has antioxidants which will help you fight off stuff like dandruff and certain infections, scalp infections. I don't want to spend most of the time talking. I'm just going to show you the video, and I hope you guys try it and I hope you love it. A disclaimer though, onion juice really stinks, so I have put it down somewhere in the video. It really stinks. You know onion smells. I would suggest washing your scalp first, and that's simply because you don't want to be putting your onion juice on a dirty scalp, because your pores are going to be the pores in your scalp are going to be clogged up. So you first need to open up those hair pores so that this onion juice can just go in and can work its magic in there. So I would suggest you wash your hair once with a sulfate-free shampoo, or spritz or apply your onion juice and then cover it. And then again, before you even think about putting it in your hair, I would suggest maybe doing a patch test and just applying it here, or maybe just on one small part of your scalp, and see how you react. Leave it maybe like 10 minutes and see if you're allergic to it, because there are people who might be allergic to it, and we don't want any allergic reactions going on. So patch test yourself first. And yeah, so you're going to wash your hair first, apply your onion juice, leave it in for 30 minutes maximum. Well, I've seen some people go for over that, but the most I have done is 60 minutes. So if you can do it for 60 minutes, but I would advise 30 minutes. And don't forget to put a cap on top, yeah, just so it can stay in and just work through and not dry on your scalp. and then rinse your hair out and just go about doing your normal hair routine. Tell me how this works. We're in quarantine time, so let's grow that hair. Let's grow that hair. Let's grow that hair. Yeah, let's grow that hair. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for the effort. Yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.